Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Irene and today I shall be showing you how you can make your milk bread at home for your kids. So we need 1 tablespoonful of instant yeast, a half tablespoonful of salt. Then we are going to add some warm water so that we let our yeast activate for some time. So as you can see, that's how it looks like. Immediately it has been mixed up. So we put it aside. Then in our big bowl, we're going to add 2 cups of wheat flour, all-purpose wheat flour. Then we are going to add 2 tablespoonfuls of natural honey. This is for sweetening. You can use sugar instead. I prefer using my honey. Then you can try to mix all. So you're going to mix the wheat flour and the honey for some time before adding our milk. We're going to use our milk to make our dough. So yeah, now I am going to add my 1 glass of warm milk to start making my dough. So I shall be mixing my milk and wheat flour mixture so that it is ready for kneading. You can add your milk as you progress with your mixing so that it is easy to make that dough which you want. Add our activated yeast to our flour. I'm going to keep on adding my wheat flour until I get the required consistency which I want for my dough. So that is my 3rd cup which I'm using to make my consistency which I want for my dough. So I shall keep on adding more flour as you can see in the video so that my dough becomes much more thicker na inaweza kutengenezeka ikawa minutes later, and this is how my dough looks like. It's so soft and yeah, it's so soft. So I'm going to knead it again for like 2 minutes. So I'm going to make my baking tins ready. I have these two 400 grams tins. So I'm going to apply some cooking oil all around my cooking tin. This one prevents the bread from attaching itself around the tin, and it also makes it easy to get it outside after it is so baked. Yes, so I'm going to smear all of them, then I'm going to spread all over inside of the tin to make it ready for my dough. So yeah, they are ready, as you can see. So I'm going to divide my dough into 2 equal parts, like this, and then I'll make one, and I'm going to make the 2 loaves which I want to make. So yeah. Then after I shape it like this, I'm going to put it inside there. Like this. Then I'll do the same thing to my other dough. I'm just shaping it so that I can put it in my other tin. Like that. Like that. That is how they look like. So I'm going to proof them for another 1 to 2 hours, but I think 1 hour is much okay. So yeah, see you later after 1 hour. This is 1 hour later. Let's see how our dough looks like. Yeah, look at that. Yes, this is how it looks. And now we are ready for baking. Guys, hope you can see it. Guys, you have seen our dough is very ready for baking. Our bread is very ready for baking. So we are going to set our microwave for baking. So we start by preheating our microwave, our oven. So I'm going to set it at maximum for 5 minutes. Then of course I put on the lights, as you can see. So we shall be preheating our oven for 5 minutes, then we'll come and insert our bread. to start baking it. So guys, it's 5 minutes later. As you can see, our oven is starting to become hot, warm and hot, and you can feel some heat coming outside from outside. So we're going to put our breads inside. Let's start with this one. Then I'll go for the other one. Going to bake both of them from there. If you can see them, guys. So I hope you can see them from there. So you're going to keep to bake them for, I'm going to set my microwave at 30 minutes, but then I'll come to check on the going. I'll also come to reduce my heat, my temperature, because I don't want them to cook very fast and maybe not get well cooked. So we shall come back and see what is happening. So I'm going to remove my bread because they are ready already. They have achieved the browning which I wanted. So I'm just going to